All right, guys, it's time to pick the winner for the 50K subscriber giveaway. So let's head over to the computer and choose our two winners.
Oh, well, oh, well. Uh-huh. Oh, well, well. Take it off.
So congratulations to Tony J for winning the blanks and to Martin Eastburn for winning the bowl. Just to get a hold of me, I think the easiest thing, don't leave your address or anything like that, any of your personal information in comments on YouTube. Just head over to my website, nvwoodworks.com, and under the About tab, there's a contact form, and just send me your shipping address through email that way, and I will get those things out to you ASAP. So congratulations to both of you for winning, and thank you to everybody that joined in on the fun on the giveaway. And I just want to thank everybody for your gracious comments on the last video. You know, that was a big failure kind of thing. Mistakes happened, and you kind of were sitting there like, oh, I don't know how this is going to go over, and you guys were really supportive and awesome like you guys always are. There wasn't one comment that I had to like delete or anything, or I was like, oh, you know, had a kind of a reaction to. You guys were all awesome, and there was a lot of comments on there. So just again, really appreciate all you guys' support. Thank you for helping me hit 50,000 on my YouTube channel. Like I said, still kind of reeling, still kind of like fuzzy. It's pretty crazy hitting that huge of a milestone. So, and I really appreciate all you guys' support. So I guess we'll wrap things up. That was all we wanted to do. It was a short and sweet one. I just wanted to announce the winners. So I guess we'll just close things down and end in normal fashion. So thank you guys all for watching this one, and happy casting.